Hello everyone, welcome to Vantage with AI. Today I'm showcasing a powerful new workflow for zero-shot voice cloning and emotion, style and speed editing inside ComfyUI, using the Step Audio EditX model from StepFun. Now, the base model is impressive, but it has limitations. It only supports one voice at a time and short audio generation. So if you want multiple speakers, emotions, speaking styles, or paralinguistic audio like oh, sigh, normally you'd have to run separate passes and manually stitch everything together. Not fun. So I built a custom Comfy UI node that solves all of that. With this node, you can clone up to 6 voices in one workflow, control emotion, style, and speed per dialogue line, insert natural paralinguistics inline, and generate unlimited length multi-speaker audio from a single formatted script. Just write your narration, tag your emotions or style inside the script, hit generate, and you get a complete polished voiceover in one go. In fact, the narration for this video was also generated using this model by cloning my voice.
Wow, what this not you?
Gah! Nope, it is all EditX. Let me show you how it works inside ComfyUI. Alright, before we jump into the workflow, let's quickly set everything up. To run this workflow, you'll first need to download a few model files. All of them are available on this Hugging Face page. Just download all the files and copy them into ComfyUI/models/Step Audio EditX folder. Use this folder structure as reference. You'll also need my custom ComfyUI node, which you can download from its GitHub repository. Installation is simple. The page includes all the instructions you need. All the links for the models on the custom node are in the description, so grab those before you start. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy these kinds of deep dive workflow videos. Now that the setup is out of the way, let's walk through the main sections of the workflow so you know exactly what each part does. Speakers group. This is where everything begins. Here, you select the sample audio for each speaker and provide the exact text spoken in that sample. That part is important. The text must match the recording word for accurate zero-shot cloning. If you don't need a particular speaker, simply disable that speaker node. Models group. This section handles everything related to VRAM performance. If you're running very low on VRAM or getting OOM errors, you can choose a quantization type here. Most users won't need quantization at all. Even on 8 GB VRAM, it usually runs fine. If you have more VRAM, say 16 GB or more, feel free to disable offload and offload fun ASR for faster generation. Scripts group. This is where you place your full narration script. The script is written as a list of multi-line prompts, and each line begins with a speaker tag plus ID, followed optionally by emotion, style, or speed tags. If speaker with provided ID is not found, then it defaults to the first speaker. You can combine multiple tag types, but only one of each type per line. If you include more than one emotion tag, for example, only the first one is used. Each tag adds an additional sampling step, so if edit iterations is set to 2. Then 1 step for cloning, 2 for emotion, 2 for style, 2 for speed, and 2 more if you insert paralinguistic tags like oh, laugh inside the prompt. If you are not using emotions, style, or speed tags, then paralinguistic tags are processed along with cloning in same step. This gives you very fine control, but it also means more edits, more processing time. You can also include pauses between dialogue lines by adding a pause tag followed by the length in milliseconds. For example, pause 1500 will insert a 1.5 second silence between two dialogues, super useful for natural pacing. Processing group. This is where it all comes together. The processing group takes your speakers, your script, your editing tags, and generates the final complete audio narration, with all emotions, styles, speeds, and paralinguistic elements stitched perfectly. Alright, let's give this a go. For this demo, I'm using a 6-speaker setup, and I've already loaded all their audio samples along with the exact text spoken in each clip. Here are the audio files and the prompts I'll be using for speaker cloning. It's generally recommended to use at least 10 seconds of audio for the best cloning quality. But today I'm going to be a bit adventurous and use clips that are only 3 to 5 seconds long for each speaker.
I know, right? And apparently we can do accents now, too. Fancy a cup of tea?
Hey guys, how are you? I was really missing you. Good to see y'all here.
I went to a bakery to buy buns. The guy handed me just 12, the regular dozen not bakers.
Yo, what's up, y'all? This is Marcus coming at you with today's quick thought.
Hi, what are you doing here? I was looking for you everywhere.
I was just looking around. What are you doing here?
Now, let me show you the script I'll be using. This script should give me roughly 1.5 minutes of generated audio once all the speakers, emotions, styles, and paralinguistic cues are stitched together. Alright, let's run it. Okay, it's done, and here is the output.
So, did anyone else get completely lost trying to find this cafe? My GPS spun me around the block 3 times before admitting defeat.
Same here. I swear the map wanted me to meet my existential crisis instead of my friends. I only found the place because of that neon sign outside.
It's not that hard, people. I just followed the smell of fresh pastries worked like a charm. Priorities matter.
Oh, pastry radar, huh? My radar only detects coffee, and speaking of which, how did they make it so strong? It's like drinking rocket fuel, delicious, dangerous rocket fuel.
I love strong coffee. It's the only thing keeping my brain from buffering today. Though, after a cup of it, I can probably type an essay while running a marathon.
Speaking of running, I tried jogging this morning. My body said new personal record. My legs said new personal regret. Guess I set the bar high and jumped under it. That's Vinny logic again, turning fitness into a philosophical tragedy. We should print that on a t-shirt. Nah, make it motivational. Run like you stole your own wallet. That way, it's both fitness advice and life strategy.
You're impossible, Vinny, but I'll give you credit. That's probably the only slogan that would actually make me run.
Next time, we'll race to this cafe then. Last one here buys the coffee. Deal?
As long as Vinny's the one timing, it'll take him 3 puns and a stretch before he hits start.
Perfect. By then, I'll already be halfway here, fueled by caffeine and chaos.
Even with just 3 to 5 seconds of sample audio, the cloning quality is surprisingly good, and all 6 voices are clearly distinguishable. Emotion tags also worked quite well, along with the paralinguistic tags. If you found this useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss upcoming workflows, model tests, and deep dives into advanced ComfyUI techniques. Feel free to share your questions or request specific tests in the comments. I always check them, and I'll be happy to cover anything you want to explore. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.